Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this look that I have created. So today I'm just giving you guys some New Year's Eve makeup inspiration. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so before we jump into this makeup tutorial, I just wanted to show you guys how I am prepping my skin before this makeup look. So basically, I washed my face. I did my regular skincare routine, so I washed my face with black soap today, and after I did that, I mixed up this Indian healing clay. The way I mix this up, I just pour some into like a little mixing bowl, and then I use water. Some people use the apple cider vinegar, but I've been using this on my face for like about 3 days. Actually like 2 days. So the apple cider vinegar will be like extremely too strong for my skin, but I really want to like deep cleanse my pores, so I've been using this mask. So I just want to get on here before I start the makeup tutorial because I'm getting ready to rinse this off. Also too, I left this on my face for like about like 10 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna say 20 minutes because I ended up taking a shower and stuff. So yeah, like about 20 minutes. So now I'm ready to rinse this off of my face, and I'll come back for the makeup tutorial. Okay, so this is my skin after I just rinsed off the mask. So my skin feels really good. So I decided to fill in my eyebrows off camera. I didn't do anything special. All I did was just fill in my eyebrows with this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel in the shade Deep Brown. So all I did was just like fill it in real quick. Next, I'm going to use the Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to go underneath my eyebrow. Then I'm going to use the shade Fawn to go on the top of my eyebrow. Now that I have a base for my eyeshadow, I'm going to set it with my Airspun powder. Alright, so now I'm ready to do eyeshadow finally. So I'm going to be using the Crayon Case the Matte Book palette. This like burgundy shade right here. Now I'm using a Morphe M330 brush. So I'm going to be using pretty much the same brush throughout this whole tutorial. So I'm going to apply this right onto my crease, but I'm gonna kind of move it up because I want to do a cut crease today, and I want to drag it out, but I'm kind of like packing it on, but I'm moving it up towards my eyebrow. Okay, so next I'm going to use this burgundy, this like really deep burgundy from this Morphe palette. Okay, so next I'm going to use this really deep shade right here. This is like a really dark brown. It's like almost black. I think it was a black right here, but it fell out. Okay, so next I'm going to take a very clean blending brush. So this is from Morphe. This is the M441 brush. So this has no eyeshadow on it. So I'm gonna take this and blend out the top part of my eyeshadow closest to my eyebrow. Okay, so now I'm ready to cut my crease. I'm using this paintbrush. This is literally a paintbrush that I got from the craft store. It was like a pack of paintbrushes. So I like to use this when I'm doing cut creases. So all I did was put some the Pro Concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer, on the back of my hand. This is in the shade Warm Honey, the same shade I used to make an eyeshadow base. So I just take some on this paintbrush. So I'm kind of doing like a dramatic, like I really want the cut crease to be kind of big. Like I want you to see the color that's on my eyelid. So I like to take mine and kind of go towards the inner corner of my eye and just create that shape of like an eyelid. So I'm gonna kind of bring the concealer kind of out some because I dragged out my eyeshadow out here. Okay, so I have the shape that I want for my eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera. Hopefully it comes out this same way. So I'll be back to apply the eyeshadow onto my eyelid. So for my eyelid color today, I'm going to be using the Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be using the silver color. I thought this would be like a pretty cool like color combination. So I'm going to be using the silver. I love the silver in here, the silver and the gold, but I mean overall the palette is a really good palette, but these metallic shades are really good. So I'm going to use the same brush I used to make the cut crease that I put the concealer on. So all I did was just like wipe off the concealer. So now I'm ready to apply my eyeliner. I'm not doing a full on wing eyeliner. I'm just going to apply this liquid eyeliner. This one is from Nicka K, New York. So this is a matte black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. So I love this one. Now I'm ready to move on to the face. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild Photo Focus primer. So this is the Photo Focus Rose Primer Serum. So I'm going to prime my face real quick with this. I'm going to do a little bit of color correcting, so I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is the Orange Corrector. For my foundation today, I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Flawless Skin Finish. So Flawless Finish Foundation in the shade Nutmeg. So this one has deep with peachy undertones. For concealer today, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, but I'm going to do something like a little different. So I'm going to apply this on and for contour, I'm using the usual. I'm using the Black Opal True Color Stick Foundation in the shade Black Walnut. Well, I put it onto my e.l.f. stipple brush, so I'm going to contour really quick. Now I'm ready to set my concealer. So I have to blend out my concealer just a little bit because I didn't set it right away. I'm gonna hit my eyebrow right here with the powder. I'm using this powder again today, but today I'm gonna use this like really big fluffy brush to blend out everything. For blush today, I wanted to do a burgundy blush, so I really love to use this eyeshadow for a blush. So this is the blush that I'm gonna be using. Next, I'm going to highlight really quick. I'm going to use this shade Vacation from Black Radiance. This is the 3D highlighter palette. I'm not going to add on any eyeshadow at the bottom. I don't really like adding eyeshadow right here. I don't know why, I just don't. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, but usually I don't. I ended up lining my waterline with this black auto eyeliner from Nicka K. So this is just like a regular black eyeliner. I used this to line my waterline off camera, and then I lined my lips too with this, because off camera I was trying to decide if I wanted to do like a vampy look or a nude look, and I ended up misplacing this. So I was looking for this for like 15 minutes. So I finally found it, and now I'm about to do my lips just to see how this comes out. I might change it, don't know right now. Oh, also too, this is from Remy Rose Cosmetics in the shade Carmen. So this is like a really good vampy lip color. It's a matte liquid lipstick. Okay, so isn't this the perfect vampy lip color? I'm so glad I used the black lip liner to outline my lips before I put this on. But I love how this lip color came out. So I'm just gonna take off my little head scarf. But this is like a perfect look for New Year's Eve if you plan on going out. I just wanted to like switch it up a little bit and do like a different color combination, because I get tired of seeing like the same color combinations for like New Year's Eve looks. So I did like a burgundy and a silver and a vampy lip look. I'm so glad I didn't go with like the nude lip color, but I feel like this lip is perfect for this look. So if you enjoyed this tutorial and you plan on recreating this look, feel free to give the video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment below if you plan on like doing this look or like recreating this look that I've created for New Year's Eve. So this is just basically like some New Year's Eve makeup inspiration. So yeah, feel free to give the video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials.
We don't need to stop, let's sip slow. I just got a vibe at your crib, and you gon' decide when we get blown. I don't wanna strive, I'm too lit. Everything